How do you fix soap that is too thick? Well, one, you can embrace it. If you do have a thick soap, you can use that to make your design. I once purposely made soap thick just so I can achieve like a camouflage look. And I got this soap bar out of my thick batter. So I liked it. The other thing that you can do is add a little bit of water, but that is only if you use a water discount. If you're using any of the recipes from me, then you are already using a water discount, whether it says it or not, because that's just what I do. I always make all of my recipes with a water discount. So you can add, I would add no more than an ounce of water to your recipe or to your batter to kind of loosen it up. And only because you've used a water discount that you can do that. Um, the other thing you could do is if it's too thick and you don't want to just like spoon it into the soap mold, then you can go into the hot process method. That way that you can finish having it go through saponification, finish up the thickening. It will be a rustic soap, but then you'll be able to add in your fragrance oils, and it may be a little bit more easier to do that. Because if it's too thick and it's kind of like soap on a stick, then it's going to be difficult to get your fragrance in there if you haven't already put it there. So doing the hot process method will kind of help you kind of smoothen the soap out a little bit by adding that heat, adding that pressure so that you can add your essential oil or fragrance oil in there and stir it in there completely. Hopefully that helps. But like I say, if you get a thick batter, just embrace it. If you want to make soap with an experienced soap maker and ask questions live, almost like you're in person, but over Zoom, you can check out the comments below where I'll have the link to check out all the classes that I offer so that you can make soap with me. Thank you.